Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. In today's video, we're going to be making this kitchen farmhouse decor, so stay tuned to see how to make these projects. First, I'm going to start off by taking this Valentine sign that I had left over and using the back of it, I'm going to paint it with the apple barrel paint in the color Snow White. Once the paint's fully dry, I'm going to take this wall sticker, which I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that directly to the sign. You just want to make sure that you center the sticker and smooth it all the way out. Now taking this jute twine, I'm just going to go ahead and make a hanger for the sign. For the second project, I'm going to take this grill topper, which I got at Dollar General for $1, and then I'm going to space out 2.5 inches wide and cut it all the way down into 3 sections. Now I'm going to go ahead and take 2 of the sections and cut them in 12 inches in length. Now that both pieces are cut to 12 inches, I'm just going to apply hot glue to the bottom of each and apply a 12-inch dowel to the bottom. And this is what they should look like once both pieces are complete. Now taking that third piece that we had cut, we're going to cut 2 pieces 6 inches in length. For both of the 6-inch pieces, we're going to take a 6-inch wooden dowel and glue to the bottom of both. And this is what it will look like once that's complete. Once all 4 pieces are complete, you're just going to go ahead and glue the 6-inch piece to the 12-inch piece and make a rectangle, as you can see me doing here. And this is what it should look like once you glue them all together. Now taking an 8x10 canvas, which I had left over from a previous project, you're just going to go ahead and take the frame and measure it out as you see me doing here, and then cut it out. Now taking the canvas that we just cut out, we're going to go ahead and glue that to the bottom of the frame, and you'll want to place the white side facing up as you see me doing here. Once you have the canvas fully glued down, this is what it should look like. Now I'm going to take this nautical rope and I'm going to go ahead and separate it into 3 sections. Now taking one of the sections of the nautical rope, we're just going to apply hot glue to the top of the frame, and we're going to go ahead and apply that all the way around. Now taking 2 pieces of the nautical rope, we're going to go ahead and make handles on both sides of the tray. This is what the tray will look like once it's completed, and this is just for decorational purposes. Now you're going to take a total of 3 mason jars, and using that nautical rope that we separated previously, we're going to go ahead and apply that to the top of all 3 jars, as you can see me doing here. For one of the jars, I'm going to take these wooden utensils and go ahead and just place them in the first jar, and that DIY is complete. Very simple. For the second mason jar, I'm going to take these wooden flowers, which I got at the Dollar Tree, and just place that in the jar. For the third mason jar, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing using these wooden flowers. I'm just going to go ahead and place them in the jar as well. For this last project, I'm going to take this 6x8 canvas, and I'm just going to remove the canvas by using a screwdriver. Once the canvas is removed, I'm going to go ahead and take this apple barrel paint in the color Snow White and just go ahead and paint the frame. Now using the remaining piece of the grill topper, I'm going to go ahead and cut that to the size of the frame. Now using hot glue, I'm just going to go ahead and attach the wire to the back of the canvas. Now taking another piece of nautical rope, we're going to go ahead and separate that into 3 sections like we did previously. Now taking one of the sections, we're going to go ahead and apply that to the outer part of the frame, and we're going to leave a small gap in the very bottom, as you'll see me doing. Now taking the second section of rope, we're going to go ahead and apply that to the inner part of the frame. Once you have the rope glued on, this is what it should look like. Now taking one of the 6-inch dowels, we're going to go ahead and cut it down to 4.5 inches. Taking that last piece of nautical rope, we're going to go ahead and wrap that all the way around the dowel. Now in the section of the frame that didn't have the rope, we're going to go ahead and apply hot glue and apply the wooden dowel. Now taking 2 tumbling tower blocks, I'm just going to go ahead and glue both of those together. Once they're glued, I'm going to take some nautical rope and apply that to the outer part of the blocks. Now applying a generous amount of hot glue to the bottom of the dowel, I'm going to go ahead and glue that to the middle of the blocks. Taking 2 of these mini clothespins, I'm going to go ahead and glue those to the wire, one on each side of the top. And now your recipe holder is complete. I'm just going to take this chocolate chip cookie recipe that I printed out from online and just go ahead and attach that.